Hi guys, as you can see, I'm still folding my laundry. So I want to share something, you guys. Really quick background, I'm a pure Filipino. I am based here in Orlando, Florida. I'm an SB19 fan since 2019, since that Twitter went viral, okay? And at first, my bias was Justin, and when time flies, my bias became Pablo all the way. Pero syempre, mahalima. Mahalima. I saw the trailer this morning, and it was kind of teary-eyed for me, and I really do understand the meaning of the song, because just like what you've seen on my channel, I posted a video. I was crying so bad because I was like, why do good things happen? I mean, why do bad things happening to good people? This video is very special because my bias, Pablo, he just released a song 4 days ago, and I haven't listened to it, and it's in my language. It's Tagalog, so it's gonna hit so hard, and I want to make a reaction video about it. So let's go. Let's go to YouTube.
Everybody telling I do office bed. Ain't nobody telling me no said. And because of that, the wolf is going mad. Cause there's nobody willing to understand. Maybe I should be more like the sheep instead. Maybe they will listen if inside I'm dead. Maybe all this maybe just because I'm scared. Cause the truth is ugly and I'm not prepared.
Naiiyak ako. Ala! Bakit naman ganyan? Yan tao na yan. Hala! Hindi ito yung napanood ko kaninang trailer. Yung napanood ko kanina sa bus while I was going to work was about tayo lang dalawa, parang ganon. It was Tagalog. So I don't know this one. I mean, this is the I mean, I know the title of this song, but I was not planning to watch this one. So this is a raw emotion, what do you call that? Reaction video of this song, because I was not expecting to listen to this one, to this song. I was expecting to the other, like the Tagalog song. That's why in-explain ko kanina na I understand, I'm very fluent to my language, my first language. But this is English. Oh my god. Okay. Wait, balik tayo, balik. I'm shaking. Uy. Hala, ang galing ni I know it's Justin yung director nito ang alam ko. Okay, let's keep going. Uy. Stress na yung tao dyan, Oy, Tagalog! Wait. Wait! Ito, yeah, this was the song in the trailer. Oh, I did not expect na it was English Tagalog. I did not expect it's Taglish. Oh my God, I'm shaking. So ito kayo, iyak na ako. Kasi naiyak ako dito sa bus, papuntang trabaho. Uy, talaga yung tao. Pakaiyakin talaga, nakaka-SOA. Ang aking galit sa mundo, pagsamo ko'y pakinggan niya.
gusto. Alam mo yan kahit walang ideya ang mundo. Nasa kabila ng mga pangyayari, wala naman akong iba pang masisi. Kung di yung sarili, piniling isang gabi. Maraya hindi nagdala akong masuwi. Malayo lang sa mundo. Ang tupad sakripisyo.
Oh my God! Ito yung sa trailer! Naiiyak talaga ako! Ito yung sa trailer talaga. Ay, naku talaga! Ay, naku Lord talaga!
Sabi ko naman sa'yo, di lang ikaw ang talo. Di ba nga dalawa na tayo? Dalawa na tayo.
Kasablo yung acting mo!
Huwag mong saluhin ang mundo. Lagi lang akong nandito. Di ba nga dalawa na tayo? Dalawa na tayo.
Grabe yung ikaw na Ano, diba? Ano, nakakainis. Ano, grabe talaga. Oh, alam niyo lang yung pagiging fan ko ng SB19. Alam niyo ba, kwento ko lang nung mabilis na mabilis. One time nagbo-boom sila sa mga balita. Tapos unang hirit. Pero parang, tama ba ako? Kasi, not unang hirit, I'm sorry. Basta sa ABS-CBN siya. Tapos, kaka-shutdown ng ata ng ABS-CBN nun. So, sa live stream lang, ata sila pwedeng panoorin. So, ang ginawa ko, since hindi available yung website sa United States, kinausap ko yung friend ko ng college if pwede kaming mag-share screen. Or, yeah, share screen. That's yun. That's the only way para panoorin ko sila. Share ko lahat. Meron ako supportive sa SB19. I'm a low-key supporter. Kasi nga, hindi ako, alam niyo yun. Pero I'm a member of US18. Guys, I'm a member of US18. Wait. Grabe na talaga yan. Tapos na pala. Grabe lang. Nakakaiyak pa din. Grabe, nangingilabot ako. Nanginginig pa rin yung boses ko. Hindi ko nakakita nyo. Nangingilabot ako. Grabe talaga. Maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta talaga ng SB19. Alam niyo naman ko anong laging sinasabi nila na ekonomiya ng Pilipinas, makakatulong ang OPM sa suportahan ang sariling atin kung kaya natin suportahan ng ibang kanta ng galing sa ibang bansa. Suportahan natin yung sarili nating kaya nung nagbo-boom na din yung Bini, ay nako talaga, parang nakaka-proud bilang SB19 fan na natutupad din yung isa sa mga goals and visions nila. Alam niyo yun? Kaya Pablo, I'm so proud of you, girl. Kasi, leader ka. Alam mo yun, you're the king. You are the king. I mean, you're one of the kings. Pero, pinuno. So, yeah. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa mga sumusuporta ng SB19. Mahal ko kayo. Mahal ko kayo.